Chicken Schnitzel, the best way to cook chicken breast so it's not dry. Quick, simple and easy.
Get an egg and some breadcrumbs and some chicken, that's all you need. And a few herbs and spices. Just a few easy steps. Cut up a chicken breast into 3 or 4 slices. You cut it nice and thin, that's the trick. Look at that. That's what we're looking for. There's a bit too much meat on that side. So what I'm going to do is just make it a bit smaller, because I don't want big chicken schnitzels anyway. Nice thin slices of chicken schnitzel. You should be able to get 3 slices out of 1 chicken breast quite easily. Crack the egg on a hard surface and give it a quick whisk. Add some pepper, a little bit of powdered garlic and a pinch of salt, and a little bit of chili powder to give it a bit of spice. Mix it through and there you have it. Let's crumb the chicken breast. Place the chicken breast in the egg and then into the breadcrumbs. Cover it well. There's our first piece. Repeat for the rest. Let's cook it up. Add some oil to a pan. You don't need to buy this at a store. This is just super easy. Look at that, nothing to it. Place the chicken into the frying pan and cook it up. Takes about 10 minutes. After about 3 minutes, check underneath to make sure that it's brown. Let's have a look. There you go. And then just flip them over and cook the other side. This is a real simple, quick and easy recipe because you can cook it quickly and it will be still moist. It's really well worth doing, and at the same time, if you've got too many of these, you can actually lightly brown them, pop them in the freezer and just recook them and warm them up later. After another 3 minutes, it should be just about ready to be plated up. Looking good. Let's give it a taste.
Lovely and thin, crispy and tasty. Super yum.